Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. How garlic can naturally help lower your cholesterol. Garlic may lower LDL, bad cholesterol by up to 9%, but it should not replace prescribed cholesterol-lowering medications. Garlic supplements tend to deliver the best results for lowering cholesterol compared to other forms of garlic. Garlic can interact with some medications like blood thinners and HIV drugs, so it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before taking garlic supplements. The optimal dosage for using garlic to lower cholesterol is 500 to 1,000 milligrams per day, and it can be taken with or without food. Possible side effects of garlic supplements include garlic-smelling breath/body odor, flatulence, heartburn, and diarrhea. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.